In this video, I'll compare two secure remote access tools, Tailscale and TwinGate, so you can see which one is a better fit for your workflow. We'll look at how they work, who they're best for, and what makes each stand out. Let's begin with Tailscale. Tailscale is a mesh-style VPN built on the WireGuard protocol, which means it's fast, lightweight, and highly secure. It connects your devices directly over the internet as if they were on the same local network. Getting started is quick. Just install the client, sign in with a Google, Microsoft, or GitHub account, and your devices are linked in minutes. It's especially popular with developers, small teams, and individuals who need secure access without complicated networking setup. Tailscale also has a generous free tier that supports up to 100 devices. Now onto TwinGate. TwinGate takes a different approach, using Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA. Instead of opening full network access, it only grants permission to specific applications or resources, reducing the attack surface. You'll need an identity provider like Okta or Microsoft Entra to authenticate, and setup includes adding connectors to your private resources. TwinGate is designed with enterprises in mind, offering detailed access controls, in-depth logging, and integrations with security tools like CrowdStrike and Jamf. Which should you choose? If you want something quick to deploy, easy to manage, and great for multi-device personal or small team use, Tailscale is hard to beat. If your priority is enterprise-level security, strict access policies, and integration with advanced security platforms, TwinGate is the stronger option. Tailscale wins on simplicity and flexibility, while TwinGate excels at granular control and large-scale security.